Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and here's a forecast from Canalys. It comes from November 2024, and it forecasts the future of PC sales for next year. So it's also very interesting to see that it has the different markets, so the different people and different organizations that would be getting new PCs. So you have the light green in consumer sales, the dark green in commercial, the turquoise in education, and light blue in government spending for PCs. And of course, then the average, which is the line that gives you the growth of the PC sales. So they also say that so for this year, we're pretty much ending the year at 6% growth of PC sales, which is quite amazing when you think about it. And you see, of course, the millions of units sold in each quarter of the of 2024 here. So this is actually nice to see that what detailed numbers like this. Now, the thing that's going to happen is that as soon as we start 2025, the PC sales will plummet quite rapidly. And this is going to slow the growth. So they're expecting that even though this year the growth was pretty good at 6%, PC sales will slow down to 2% in 2025. And actually, if you look at some other numbers they have, they're kind of saying that for the next 3 or 4 years, PC sales will grow, but will grow with very, very small numbers. So this is interesting to see that what's going to happen in the PC market, and well, it's lower than expected. So this is also something to note. We could see that consumer sales will pretty much maintain itself, and even grow in 2025. And they're expecting that also because in part of Windows 10 that will be end of support. Yes, we can pay for extensions. Yes, there's a lot of things that can happen that you can keep your PC. But for consumers, and it's always been like that, if they see a pop-up that your Windows is about to expire, and actually, I've had that discussion in at Christmas. My family said they got pop-ups and they now know that Windows 10 is expiring next year. What should we do? And of course, I talked about the $30 extension for a year. So that was something that was interesting for them. But people definitely start to know because of the pop-ups of Microsoft. So this is going to be interesting. Will it be just this 2% growth? I'm kind of wondering if people really decide that they want to change that PC that's not compatible with Windows 11. Could be very, very interesting to see the change. So we'll see what happens. But this is right now Canalys predictions for PC sales. What do you guys think? PC sales, will they be higher than 2% in 2025 because of Windows 10? Will people hold on to their PCs? It's going to be an interesting thing to watch. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.